up now. Pick it up. Yay!
Woo!
Can you help him take the fish off? Okay. Now get out of the way and let him fish another fish. Yep. Get another one.
The big one.
Oh.
Woo! Careful. No. Careful.
Yeah, be careful. There you go.
Careful.
Hold it for Kinley to take off. Kinley, can you take the fish off for Beckett? Thank you. Catch another one. Catch another one.
Two.